Storytime for Space is what you think it is. It's an awesome website where astronauts from space are doing science experiments and reading stories to students. I'm telling you, it doesn't matter the age, the students love them. They're reading some incredible books and they're doing some awesome science experiments. So there's science time videos here, like astronauts height, free fall, why are things going so fast? And then they have all of these books, like a Mousetronaut Goes to Mars, that is read by one of the astronauts while he is in space, Mark Kelly. And it's written by Mark Kelly, and then it's read by his brother Scott Kelly, and it runs for 9 minutes and 34 seconds while he's in space. They have some books, they have curriculum that goes with it. It is a fun site, and it just is some really fun videos to watch, and the kids just enjoy watching story time from space.